All right, welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want to say a huge thanks to Jackie because she posted this really cool comment asking us how to move a WordPress site from one domain name to another. And let's get on it. And let's also say thanks to Jackie because she was able to make a website with our channel. So it's always very rewarding. All right, so we're going to go to our hosting first and create an add-on domain. Basically, what we're going to do is install WordPress onto this add-on domain at the hosting and then migrate the site from the previous domain name to the new domain name. And to make it all work, you will also have to point your name servers from the GoDaddy place to the hosting, which is HostGator. If that's enough for you, then go ahead and go do it, but otherwise we'll show you how right here. Okay, going into the cPanel here at my HostGator VPS plan. I know, super fancy. And what we're gonna do is, you can always hit Command F for add-on domains. Add-on domains, as you might know, are just additional folders for domains and for WordPress content in your hosting plan. And you do need at least a baby plan to have the add-on domains because the hatchling plan only lets you run one domain name with no add-on domain names. So basically what you do is say like, okay, here's my new site where I'd like to move things to .com, right? And just click away and it'll make the other stuff for you. And then you add the domain name, okay? And then, so assuming that's added, go back to the cPanel and then you're gonna click on Quick Install down here. And it might be like Softaculous for you or WordPress Installer. They work just the same. All right, there's different ways of doing the same WordPress install. Then we're gonna click on WordPress and we're gonna install it for free, of course, onto that domain name that you just set up as an add-on domain. So maybe you'll just have two domain names here and it's easy to find, but I have a whole plethora of domain names. So you just find the one you have and install WordPress on it, and then that's good. Then you're gonna go back to the GoDaddy and you're gonna point the name servers to that HostGator folder. So your HostGator name servers will be something unique to your HostGator plan, and they will have been emailed to you at the start when you just bought the HostGator hosting. Works really smooth, it's worked for like 10 years, and that is just how to do it. And I couldn't be happier with the way they manage their name servers. The final thing to do once the add-on domain name is good, the WordPress is installed on it, and the name servers are pointed over, is to log into your site. So you're gonna have something like your site, and this is the fresh one. So this is not the original site. This is the destination site, for example. And you're gonna log in, and then what you're gonna wanna do is do a little migration. So assuming you can see your site, you're gonna come on over here and you're gonna install a plugin. And there are a variety of WordPress migration plugins. I've used WordPress all-in-one migration in the past, and I think it's still free. So here's the plugin. You're gonna install it on both the destination site and the original site. And obviously you're gonna go to the original site first and download everything. And you're gonna come over here and upload everything. And that should do it. You should have your site live. Now, if you guys want to keep SEO rankings of your original site with a new one, the process is a little bit trickier and it involves editing the WordPress MySQL database on the cPanel. That is possible. And it kind of tricks Google and your browser into putting the site in a different location. So if that's what people wanted to do, I can make a more advanced tutorial, but this would be generally how to just move all your content from one domain name on WordPress to another domain name and another site that also uses WordPress. Of course, once it's done, make sure you just update all your links that were in different places. Maybe you're linking to your site, or if you have guest posts, just email the publisher and be like, hey, can you put in my new domain name link so you don't get broken links and you don't lose that SEO juice. And that is basically enough to get you guys going. There's obviously going to be a few more questions, so you know what to do with those. Put them in the comments. Please like the video, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.